A ground-penetrating radar survey was conducted in July of 2020. The GPR survey produced many point source singular and planar linear targets in 2D and 3D images. These targets strongly suggest the presence of subsurface structural remains and cultural features in the footprint of the Foremans Cottage. The technical approach to the GPR survey on this site started with measuring a 30-foot by 46-foot survey grid that was placed within the domestic vegetation and north of the steps. A metal detector survey of the grid identified 9 targets, including 3 in the northeast quadrant and 3 in the southeast quadrant. Clearing vegetation for the survey revealed a concrete slab and wall line between the survey grid and the top of the steps. 8 high-amplitude point source targets along the west edge of the grid suggest a pipe or a wall. Other point source targets suggest a possible pit feature with straight sidewalls in the middle of the grid and in line with the steps. A high-amplitude target in the southeast corner of the grid mirrors metal detector targets in the same area. A point source target next to a planar target suggests an incline or a step. This incline could be the same ramp that is visible in the 1941 photograph of the garage named G1. Several 2D planar targets across much of the grid suggest a large flat surface, possibly the floor of the basement or the interior of a small structure. 3D images illustrate several targets that may reflect structural remains or features. A high-amplitude target along the southern grid line at 21 to 24 feet east of the southwest grid corner is related to the concrete apron at the top of the steps. Review of the other 3D images suggest a pipeline in the southeast corner of the grid. These were also recorded in 2D and the metal detector survey. Other 3D images suggest 2 wall lines joined to form the corner of a room or building, and the void between the 2 point source targets along the east grid line suggest a possible basement door of the former structure. The survey results of this area strongly suggest Grid 3 was located within the footprint of the Foremans Cottage, and the garage was built on top of all or part of the former building location.